Hi there, it's Grant here, and I've got a very exciting video for you today because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can promote the hottest selling affiliate marketing product on Clickbank, and I'm going to show you step by step of how you can do this. So by the end of the video, you're going to have a good idea of how you can go out there, promote this product, and potentially start getting sales, within 7 days. Sometimes it can happen quickly. Sometimes it can take a little longer. But just want to give you, you guys, the tools and the knowledge of how to get going with affiliate marketing. That's really the purpose of this video. So just to give you a little bit of insight of who I am, my name's Grant, and I'm a professional affiliate marketer. I've been doing affiliate marketing now for about 3 years. I've run a six-figure affiliate marketing business now, and in my previous life before then, I was a professional media buyer. I worked with companies like ClickFunnels to buy all of their advertising. It wasn't just me; there were other people as well. But I bought a lot of their ads, and I think I've spent well over $2 million now on paid advertising. So when it comes to affiliate marketing and running paid media, and driving traffic to offers, then I think I know what I'm doing because I've been doing it now since 2005. So with that said, let's crack on with a video. So Clickbank. So Clickbank is basically one of the main places new and experienced affiliate marketers come in order to find offers to promote. So that is basically what Clickbank is for. It's for affiliate marketers to go and find products that they can promote. And obviously you've got the publishers who upload their products so affiliates can promote them. So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you've got no idea what Clickbank is, that is what it is. It's affiliate marketing network. So let's go into Clickbank. Now, Clickbank has taken on a new edition recently. Well, I think it was beginning of the year this product released. And this product here, Alpaline, is by far and away the hottest converting product on Clickbank. It's making, if we look here, this is the average commission earned per sale that an affiliate generates. So on average, you can earn $134 if you generate a sale, which is pretty decent. It's pretty decent. If you make a couple of those a day, you can make, $300, $400, $500 a day relatively easily once you know what you're doing. And if we look here, the gravity score, so this score is based on the number of unique affiliates generating sales. So when you're looking for a decent product to promote on Clickbank, basically you really want a gravity score above 400 or 500. This one's above 1,000. This is a hot product because everyone wants to promote it and start making money. I can tell you this is the hottest product on Clickbank. As an affiliate, I mainly keep myself in the financial niche, but I have to be honest, I've caved and I've thought, let's give promoting Alpaline a try. And what I'm going to do is kind of show you my mindset of how I'm doing it, because I'm assuming a lot of you watching this have basically, you haven't got an audience, you don't have an email list, you maybe don't have a social media following that you can promote to. And at the end of the day, you don't want to be spamming your affiliate links all over social media because, you're not going to get any results, because I think that's what a lot of affiliate marketers do. They just go to their Facebook profile or wherever and they just spam it out and get no sales and potentially get a lot of hate and get discouraged and just never bother trying again. What you want to do is be a sniper and really, you want to be smart about it so you can try and make as many sales as you can as quickly as possible. So what is the absolute fastest way to get promoting products like this as an affiliate? Well, what you want to do, really, you want to start running ads. Now, you're probably thinking, oh my God, I'm going to have to spend loads of money to do this. And don't panic. I've got you. In fact, there's a couple of ways you can get going. But if you want to start generating sales potentially quickly, what you want to do is run simple little Google ads. These are Google. So I'm going to show you the keywords in a minute. But basically what you want to do is you want to create very simple little Google ads. And you could start running these for $10, $15 a day, because that's what I'm doing. I'm not just telling you to do this, I am doing it. So what you want to do is run simple little Google ads like this, search ads. You can see them all here. These are all different affiliates promoting this product. This, you might think, oh God, that's not good. There's so many competitors. This tells you that this keyword is converting and these affiliates are making money. So what you want to do is, run little Google ads like this. And you can also use Bing. Bing is often overlooked. In many ways, Bing is better because there isn't the same competition. But start off with Google. And what you want to do, this is where the magic happens, is you want to target buyer intent or intent-based keywords. And what do I mean by intent-based keywords? You want to target, this is probably a better example, you want to target keywords where people are typing in either the product you're promoting or, the products in the industry. So best weight loss supplement. So basically Alpiline, I don't think I told you, Alpiline is basically a weight loss supplement. So basically what it does, it helps people to lose weight by lowering their internal core temperature. That's how this product works. So it's weight loss supplement. So it would be a good idea to potentially use best weight loss supplements, because if someone's typing in this keyword, there's intent behind it. The person is thinking, right, I want to find the best weight loss supplement possible, so basically I can reach my weight loss goals. So this is the keywords like this. This is a hot keyword. Now the other keyword, Alpine Ice Hack weight loss. Now why have I put that in there? Well, that is basically part of that is really the hook for this offer. Now I've created a landing page for this. So this is a landing page I created, and basically the big hook for this offer is an odd Alpine Ice Hack. And this is why I typed in here, because unfortunately you can't target the product name or any of the brand terms, because if you could, you'd make a lot of money very quickly. Because if someone's typing in Alpiline or any related terms, there's massive buyer intent. So the next stage down is really to target the hook for this offer, because if someone is typing in Alpine Ice Hack weight loss, that we see here, which is a hook on the VSL for these products, they've basically watched this video before, they're aware of it, and they want to learn more about it or maybe buy the pills. So this keyword here, which is part of Alpiline, is kind of like a ninja way of targeting Alpiline, but you're not doing it. You're basically targeting the hook. Someone's typing in the hook for this offer. They either want to look at the VSL again, or they just want to buy the supplements or check the supplements out at least. So this is a heavily intent keyword, because this is basically the main hook for the promo. And another one that I'm trying is best weight loss supplements. At the end of the day, if someone's typing in best weight loss supplements, they're in the market to buy weight loss supplements, and they're just researching different supplements out there. So basically, if you put your little page up like this is one I created. In fact, I use ClickFunnels to create this, but you can use any website builder. Just create a little page like this. If someone's typing, what are best weight loss supplements? If you create a page like this, put the hook there, link to the video here. People can go and watch the VSL and realize, the results this supplement is getting. And what I've done is I've created like a little hybrid page, because there's some people who just want to buy now. So basically, someone might, I just said, are you ready to try Alpine Ice Hack for yourself? And basically, I'll just say, click the button below to order Alpiline weight loss supplements from the official Alpiline website and save up to 33% on your order. And this takes you to a different link. This takes you to the main sales page for the supplements. So guys, if you want to start promoting the number one hottest product on Clickbank, this is how you do it, because this is how I've done. I've only just started promoting it in the past couple of days, so I'm just still getting data in. But you know, these are heavy intent-based keywords. People are typing in this in. They're either researching the product or they want to buy it. End of. So let me just give you, now you know kind of like the strategies to promote it, I'm going to give you a few tips. So if you want to try this and run simple little Google search ads, what you got to do is when you launch your campaign, I recommend, depending on where you are, I'd recommend starting a budget of $12 to $15 a day. And, you know, I think you're going to have to really spend about $100 to get data. At the end of the day, you need to get data in, you know, and what I mean by data is you need clicks, because you want to know, is the landing page working and is the keywords you're targeting working? Excuse me. So yeah, you need to just launch your campaign, $12 to $15 a day, and spend about $100, $150. You know, it depends what your tolerance is. That kind of, sort of spend is going to give you an idea of whether your campaign is profitable. Because if you're getting, $134 on average, this can vary. If you're getting $134 on average for a conversion, then really you want to be converting a customer obviously well below that. Ideally we want to try and get a customer for about $30 to $50, because if we can get a customer for $30 to $50, we're making roughly $80 to $100 per sale. Bargain. I'll run the campaign all day long for that. So yeah, and what you want to do is in your Google account, you can get a Google conversion pixel. So basically this is another ninja trick. You can get a Google conversion pixel. So basically you can track conversions from your Google Ads campaign. And basically what you can do is you can go to the affiliate page and you can add the pixel to Alpaline's funnel. I think the Clickbank team do it. And basically then you can take your Google Ads campaign to the next level, because then you can optimize for conversions, and you can tell, which you're basically telling Google to go out and find people who are ready to buy based on these keywords. And basically the more data you get in and conversions for the campaign you're running, the smarter Google gets and the more conversions you're going to make for your budget. That's a little ninja trick there for you, because basically Google runs off AI now. And the more data you feed it, i.e. sales conversions for your campaigns, the smarter Google gets, learns about your customer, and basically puts your ads in the front of the people who are more likely to convert. And in a nutshell, that is how I am promoting, Alpaline. It's how tens and hundreds of other affiliates are promoting Alpaline. And basically, yeah, if you've got no audiences, no social media channels, this is the fastest way to get going, start making money. Obviously, if you're broke, you can't obviously do it. But if you can spare a couple of $100, and yeah, you can make it work, then you're going to be off and running. And this is just the beginning. There's going to be many other keywords and audiences that you can target to. Also, if you're going to be running ads, then you're going to have to create a landing page like this. Very simple to create. This is just a hybrid landing page that's sort of really directed towards these keywords. People are kind of in the market for supplements or Alpaline itself. If you want to create a landing page like this, you're going to need a landing page builder. I use ClickFunnels Classic. If you want to get ClickFunnels, I'll leave a link down below and you can sign up for an account. I think you get a free trial. And ClickFunnels Classic's more than enough. I mean, all you need is a $97 a month plan, and that's going to be more enough to do stuff like this. Very simple. I call this like an affiliate marketing bridge page, because basically if you click on the links, it takes you to the Alpaline website. This one takes it to VSL, and this one here takes it to the actual sales page if people want to buy the product. So yeah, I'll leave a link to ClickFunnels below if you want to get ClickFunnels and create your landing pages. But if you don't want to use ClickFunnels, just find another landing page software. There's loads of them out there, like Lead Pages and yeah, whatever. So that is how I'm going about and how you can promote the hottest affiliate marketing product on Clickbank. Now, if you're looking here and you think, oh, that sounds great, but I'm scared to do it, I don't know how to do it, then I've got you covered. So basically what I've done is I'm launching a new service where basically we will get on a call together, on Zoom or something similar, one-on-one, where I help you to plan your affiliate marketing business and get you going far. So basically, if you book a call with me, be for about an hour long, might be a bit longer, depending on how long it takes, but I'll help you to plan your affiliate marketing product or business. We'll look at some offers you want to promote, and then I'll help you create a plan of how you can promote them. So basically, you've got the knowledge to go out there and start doing yourself. Now, if you want to book a call with me, I'll link to a Google form in the description and in the top message below. Just fill in the form, and when I get your response, I'll reply to you. Now, this isn't a free call. This is a paid call because I only want to work with serious people. So, at the end of the day, the call is chargeable. All of the details are going to be in the Google form. But if you're serious about starting your affiliate marketing business, fill in the form. Once I've received your response, I'll send you an email. Then I'll send you a PayPal invoice so you can make your payment. Once I've got that, then I'll book a call with you, and then we can get going. We'll smash out your plan to start promoting affiliate marketing businesses and to achieve your first affiliate marketing sale. So if that sounds interesting, I'll link to the form in the description below, and in the messages, I'll pin it in the messages. So yeah, if it's of interest, it's there for you if you want the extra help. Anyway, hope you found this video useful and informative. Get out there, either promote Alpine or something else using this method that I've shown you, and I'm pretty sure you're going to start making your first or multiple affiliate commissions really, really soon. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.